Hello there! Today we are talking about gear ratios. So what is a gear ratio? A gear ratio tells you how many times one gear must rotate for another gear to rotate once. Let's take a look at this slow motion example. The small gear rotates 3 times every time the large gear rotates 1 time. That's a 3-to-1 gear ratio. So, why does this happen? Well, let's think about it. The small gear has 12 teeth, and the large gear has 36 teeth. Every time the small gear makes one full rotation, all 12 of its teeth pass through the point where the gears touch. That means 12 teeth on the large gear must move as well. But the large gear has 36 teeth total, so moving 12 teeth is only 12 out of 36 teeth, or 1/3 of a full rotation. So how do we use gear ratios in robotics? Gear ratios are very important. If the gear ratio is higher, like 3-to-1, you get more torque but less speed. Torque is simply a twisting force. This is useful when you need to lift heavy objects or push with more power. On the other hand, if the gear ratio is lower, like 1-to-3, you get more speed but less torque. This is useful when you want your robot to move quickly. So that's gear ratios. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe.